So in this video I am going to share with you 7 marketing strategies that no one talks about, and these 7 strategies are basically used by the biggest brands in the world, and no one seems to get them. And if you implement them in your marketing and in your ads, then you are absolutely going to streamroll everyone in marketing. So first one is simplicity, and I cannot emphasize the importance of making things simple, and simplicity is the key to everything, and complexity fails, simplicity scales. So if you want to scale your business, which you are doing through marketing, then you should make things simple and things not complex. And what I see a lot of the time is that a lot of marketer get lost in in trying to make their marketing very complex, and they think that simple is not persuasive, but I think that's very false, and that's not a true statement. I think simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and should in your marketing use simplicity as much as you can. Try to make things simple. People like our human brain is wired to crave simplicity, and it wants things to be simple, not complex. And when you do marketing complex, your your message should be understood, and you should not take the person who is seeing your ad or marketing to basically take time to understand what you are saying. It should be very simple that a 5-year old could understand. Okay. And I cannot emphasize the importance of simplicity. It's the everything I do is very simple, and in my company I skill agency owner, coaches and consultants. Don't worry, this is not a thing. I'm just saying what I do. So what I do is basically I run simple ads, and I make everything simple, and that's how I am able to scale very simply to 6 figures. And it takes time, but I can tell you that simplicity will always win and complexity will always fails. So let's move to the second one. So the second one is specificity. So this is also important. Like, you don't want to be vague in your messaging, in your positioning, in your advertising, and you should be very specific, like who you are talking to and why, and basically you should be specific and target people. You would target people in your marketing and ad, okay, but you have to be specific about your thing and what your thing do. Let's say for example, I run an advertising agency, so my target audience is basically coaches, consultants, and agency owners. So instead of saying we help agency owner, coaches, and consultants get clients or book appointments, I say 40 to 100 sales call per month guaranteed. So this is specific, and this is you would trust it instantly, instead of someone saying we help them get clients, or we make money online, or basically any offer that is not specific is trash, completely trash. And if your marketing is not specific, I can tell you, you are just wasting your budget, and you are not allocating capital. You are allocating capital at the very not nice place. And so just be specific and don't be vague. So the third one is emotional driven marketing, and I can tell you that every single decision that a human makes is by emotion and then justified by logic. You could argue that, but all sales decisions are made on emotions and later justified by logic. So what I see is that a lot of marketers just try to do marketing which are rational, which are have reasons, and is basically logical. But that type of marketing does not work. It won't get you and your brand or your business very much far. And I've seen a lot of ads and a lot of campaigns, and basically a lot of marketing that is very does not make any sense, is irrational, illogical, does not have any concrete reason, but that marketing is still makes money. Your job is to maximize profit, so you would do marketing that is very emotional. It does not, even though it does not make any sense, and humans are like, you should understand how human brain works, and basically human behavior is every single decision is made on emotion, not logic. And I buy this because I feel like it, and then I think about it. So I hope you are trying to understand every action that someone takes is based on pure emotions and not logic. And I can tell you now that a lot of people are masses, basically masses, for whole society. A lot of people, majority of people are like emotionally driven. So if you use emotional drivers in your marketing, you are absolutely going to crush it. And number 4 is storytelling. So storytelling is very, it's like art of the art of storytelling is like the greatest skills greatest skill you can have as a marketer or advertiser, because humans love stories and we make sense of the world around us through storytelling. And what I'm doing right now is storytelling, right? So you should understand what are the key elements of a storytelling, and basically how to write a good story. And every brand tells a story, and not every brand tells a story, and they have a story behind the product or services. They are not selling the thing, they are selling you the story. And story is like what keeps people hooked till the very end of the marketing campaign or ad. So that's how you are able to basically tell them what you do and pass your information down to them, and that's how you can persuade them. And I think storytelling is one of the most important skills you have to have as a salesperson and marketer also. So the next one is authenticity, and I cannot emphasize the importance of authenticity, because I see a lot of marketers lying in the market, lying to market their product and services, and it's just a lot of rubbish, and I hate it absolutely. Even though I'm a marketer myself, but I hate these people, and the reason why is because I judge people who are not authentic. Therefore, I am going to always be authentic, but I am constantly aware that I am not telling the truth and I am not transparent with my audience and basically my clients and my market. But whenever I am selling something, whenever I am marketing anything, I am fully transparent and truthful and authentic. And honesty is the best thing. And if you are not authentic in your marketing, like, you can hide behind for a while, but the truth will eventually come up and it will bite you in the face. And I can tell you, most of the time it's not worth it. And a lot of people have this perception that salespeople and marketer are not authentic person, and that's a problem that I see in my industry. So, and you can see like global trust crisis is at the peak, and it is only going to get increased. So if you can't be authentic, then you are never ever going to build trust, and therefore you are never ever going to get sales and basically make money. So that next one is reciprocity, and this is the first law of psychology. And if you are not like, we human has a natural desire to give someone who have done something for us. So basically reciprocity is because you get what you give. And if you like, just in your campaign, whatever you are doing, just give away things for free, okay? Don't ask for anything. And the thing I see that in reciprocity is that people just give things. That's nice, but a lot of people, I think, in marketing and sales are needy and they are desperate. Just show them that you are not needy and desperate, and I'm sure that you will make more sales because as like when you talk to your prospects, they have a natural, they naturally and in subconsciously they think that this person has a lot to gain from me by like selling me stuff. That's why they like their sales guide is high. But if you show that you like basically you don't have to like win so much from them, and you just don't give any don't, you basically don't care about them and just you provide free value and you give away free stuff and tons of free stuff and tons of free value. And I can tell you example like you can see Alex Hormuz, you can see Charlie Morgan, and you can see like basically Danco and a lot of other people as well. They like give free value away, and this is called reciprocity. And like if I see Alex or Moji making videos every day, then I feel a urge to like this is like I say in my mind that this guy is always showing up for us, for me. I should buy his book. I should like check out his stuff, and same for Charlie Morgan, and same for Dan Goen. Like we have a natural tendency to do good thing to other who have done good thing to us. So you should be like it's like one thing that I learned the hard way. It's reciprocity, and use this in your marketing and campaign, and it will blow up your basically entire system. So the next one is problem solution driven. So this is basically something that is like you should market your product as a solution to the problem that your potential customers are facing, and you should describe their pain points and basically desire, fear and emotions in detail, and how they feel about this problem and what they will feel in future. And the only thing that this should serve is that your audience is like a desire place that they want to go, and they are now in this place. So what your product does is basically is bridge the gap between where they are right now to where they want to go. And your it's like the bridge for them to basically transform themselves and solve the problem. And if a product not let's not talk about product, we are talking about marketing. So your marketing should be problem solution driven. And like a lot of people try to just market to sell things, but I can tell you, if you just go and plan, think in mind that I just want to sell, that you are never ever going to sell. Just think in mind how can I describe like problem solution driven, and you are going to make a lot of money because I can tell you that money is created when value is created, and value is created when pain is alleviated, and pain is alleviated when problems are solved. And this is the like core fundamental truth of any successful business. And if you are basically a marketer, so you should apply these things. And so these are the things that I want to talk about. Like, and if you want to know, if you want to like know more things about marketing, just keep keep eye on the future videos. I will be uploading some awesome videos also, and I'm going to share a lot of secret and exclusive marketing strategies also that you have not heard from anywhere in online space or in books. And these are dark psychological marketing strategies and not the like easy one that I use in my business. And I will explain them in the future video. So thanks for watching, and keep your eyes on the future videos.